Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth guide on fixing your device. Today, we will walk through the necessary steps to ensure a successful repair. Let's start with the tools you'll need. First, gather the following tools. 1. A precision screwdriver set. This is crucial for removing small screws. 2. A plastic spudger, perfect for opening the device without causing damage. 3. A cleaning kit, includes compressed air and microfiber cloths for internal cleaning. 4. A magnetic mat, to keep your screws organized while you work. Now that you have your tools, let's move on to the first step, opening the device. Using the precision screwdriver, carefully remove the screws on the back panel. Make sure to keep them on the magnetic mat to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the device. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid cracking the casing. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. With the device open, it's time to assess the internal components. Take a moment to visually inspect for any obvious damage or dust buildup. This is where the cleaning kit comes in handy. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other components. Remember, keeping your device clean is essential for optimal performance. If you notice any damaged parts, this is the point where you may need to replace them. Make sure to have the replacement parts ready. If you don't have the tools or parts, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of going out. After cleaning, proceed to replace any faulty components. Make sure to align everything properly and secure it with the appropriate screws. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We're here to help you through the process. Once everything is replaced and secured, it's time to reassemble the device. Carefully align the back panel and press it down gently until it clicks into place. Then, replace the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened. Before you power on the device, do a final check to ensure everything is in place. If you prefer not to handle this alone, remember we also provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. Finally, power on your device and check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our services ensure you can get help without the hassle of calls or travel. We prioritize your convenience and satisfaction. This tutorial has equipped you with the essential steps to repair your device. By following these guidelines, you can effectively troubleshoot issues and maintain your device's performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.